Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and the mode on which you will be does not really matter. You can be on the photo mode, portrait mode, video mode. It doesn't matter. I wanted to draw attention to those green lines and the leveler. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon here to open the settings, and tap on the settings icon here also to open the camera settings. I mean more of them. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and then tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. All camera preferences, sorry. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.